Okay, so hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about Akinator. Akinator is a game in which there is a genie which guesses the character that you selected in your mind. So the game, you play the game by thinking about some fictional character or even real character, and then the game in the game the genie asks you some question regarding that character, and you'll have to answer it correctly. The questions will be simple, like regarding the appearance of the character and what he does and all such stuff. It will be simple questions, but he asks many such questions, and at last he guesses who is the character. So, shockingly, this app will most of the time guess the character correctly, and that surprises most of us. Now, even if it looks like it's something like magical, it's not really, and the app uses simple logic. So whatever, it's very simple. Once you know it, you'll come to understand why I'm saying like this. When it asks you questions, it narrows the number of possibilities in its database. Now, it has a large database including famous characters. When you answer the questions, it eliminates the possibilities which don't match with the answer that you give them. For example, if the character you selected is tall, and if it asks you a question, you answer that is tall, then all the persons who are short will be eliminated. So in this way, even if it doesn't seem that it takes short time to answer like this, it actually does, and by doing this it can arrive at the answer very quickly. And the main thing is that if in case it does not know the character you are thinking of, then what happens is, you might have seen this screen, then it asks you to, it doesn't know, so it accepts defeat, and then it asks you what is the name and who is the character and all. Then when you submit the name, it says that you win, but what happens is, all the questions it asks you and all the respective answers you give it will be stored in their server in a database, and then the name you added will be selected as the label. So hence, you won the game, but it got a new character in its database. This way the database grows forever, and the more and more characters get added to it, and it most of the time it just wins it just guesses the character correctly. So that's what is happening, and it is very simple, but the trick is here that it asks you questions in a way that it's not obvious that it is asking exactly regarding what's that character. It doesn't look so. It asks the questions very smartly, and it feels like it's not directly approaching the character, but indirectly it, as I already told you, it eliminates all the possibilities and arrives at the character, and then finally it gives you with the correct answer. So that's how it works basically. So if you are feeling that one question cannot reduce the number of possibilities by a large number, then consider this situation. You are thinking about some character, and the character is a boy. Okay. And then the Akinator, first question from Akinator is whether your character is male or female. You select male. Then the number of in its database, there are equal number of boys as well as girls, that is 50-50. So half the possibilities are eliminated just by one question, then the remaining half by second question. Not correctly half, but that's how it works as you go on. See, usually for every play, every question you ask and every character you select, on an average Akinator asks you around 14 to 15 questions, and that can be enough to reduce the eliminate the wrong possibilities. And actually it's estimated that less than 10 questions are enough to do that job, but it asks you extra question again to improve the database for next time, so that when it asks the questions with extra questions, and you give the answers, they are stored, and then at last, if the character it thought was correct, then these questions are also added to that character. If you're getting what I'm telling you. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you liked it, let me know, and if you have any other good ideas or thoughts regarding this, let me know in the comments. And any new ideas, then comment me, I can make a video on it. So yeah, thank you, bye.